right, Wayne and I are about ready to put this motor in, and I think we've kind of buttoned up as much as we can. We were going to put spark plug wires on, but we didn't get the right ones, and anyway, we'll get that straightened out. Got the power steering pump on, alternator on, and the main wiring harness is on for the engine. And got the new fuel filter on. We got the distributor stab down in there, and it's pointed at the number 1 cylinder. So got the vacuum booster here that's going to go to the brakes and the carburetor. So all right, I think we're ready. Here we go. Wish us luck. Got the motor down in there. It was relatively simple, and got the transmission to line up really nice. Wayne's putting some bolts in the transmission and the dipstick over there. So yeah, we're doing good. Had a schedule. All right, the boss is leaving. Now we can get back to work. Right, Wayne?
Yeah.
All right, we got the engine in there, as you can see. And we're gonna lift it up here, and we're gonna start working on the exhaust. So we'll get the exhaust hooked up, and then I think we'll call it a day. We'll start it up another day. All right, we're wrapping this job up for today. We got the exhaust connected, got the transmission lines connected back up to the radiator. And we got the radiator down in there. Wayne is tightening up radiator hoses. We got the torque converter hooked back up. Fuel lines connected. We are ready to make some fire pretty quick. The only thing we don't have is our sparklighter hoses. So we need to get some sparklighter hoses, and we'll be in good shape.
And some Earl.
And some, oh yeah, it would help if we put oil down in this motor too. So yeah, it was a good day. Everything went pretty smooth. The boss only had to visit us one time, and I think we're in good shape. So we'll wait till Wayne gets his next day off, which should be next week, and then we'll fire this baby up. No? When are we gonna fire it up?
Not till after the piston power dog.
Oh yeah, piston power show.
That's my next days off. It's for that.
So that should be a lot of fun. That starts up on
March 31st.
March 31st. So we'll be hanging out there. Come out and hang out with us. I got tickets all weekend. I don't know about you, Wayne. Do you?
Oh yes, we do.
All right. So Donna and we'll be sitting there at the table, handing out brochures, talking about our show.
Friday and Saturday.
Yeah.
Mom and Vi are going to the Monsters game on Sunday.
Oh, okay.
So my buddy Ralph will be coming with me on Sunday.
Very good. All right. I hope. Hey, since we're talking about that, you guys that are getting your cars ready, don't forget you got other things to get ready too. So
build your display.
Yeah, you got to get your display built up. I know the fence is at Great Lakes Fence, and somebody's got to go get that. And Joe's on vacation, so I don't know how you guys are going to do that. But good luck. See ya.